chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before moving on with the vlog of Optimistic, I want you to take two very simple actions. The first action is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. If you enjoy this content, smash the like button. As well, press the bell notification to get notified every single day from at 9 a.m. Eastern time, because I release now 7 videos a week from Monday through Sunday, every day, my friend. And the most important thing, spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the street at school for great, awesome content of value made by who? Chez Satoshi. Let's go back to dive into Optimistic. I'm sorry. So what is Optimistic? The new scalability stack for Ethereum. Basically, is going to provide instant transaction and scalable smart contracts. Wow, this is great, but just pay patient. I'm going to show you some very nice metric that you will blow your mind, the possibility. And this thing is coming soon, my friend. As you can see, we are in April 2021. I'm sorry. I have some... So in April 2021, hackathon tested. People test really hard to find issue before the public mainnet that was going to be released on July 2021. And this is coming because May, June, and July, 3 months, and there you're going to have this Optimistic layer 2 solutions that will blow, will probably launch, will blow Ethereum to the moon. And they're saying deploy the app, so you can sign up here. And the latest vlog article on the vlog on the January 15, 11 February. It's a bit long time. They haven't put a new update, so we are in April. So they should at least one plus a month. And they have the philosophy, they are incorporated for they put create Optimistic is a public benefit corporation BBC. So I invite you to read it. So I think one of the major thing they should do, they need to put more information in the main page. That's my point of view. And they are present on Twitter. I have some brand memory this morning. Discord, YouTube, and this is Twitch, I believe. So let's go jump to the next sections. This is all about. This is really important metric. As you can see here, I need to take some coffee. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this content. And press the bell notification to get notified every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the street at school for a great content of value. So as you can see, 2 major projects use or they test right now with Optimistic scaling solution over the Ethereum network and Synthetix Exchange. So this demo represents a milestone in our journey to bring the speed of centralized finance to the world of decentralized finance. They decreased the cost of the gas cost for 143x, and the transaction confirmation time 0.3 seconds. This is really insane. So I invite you to read the testimonial of Jack G. Morses. And another great benefit as well, the Unipig exchange Uniswap is coming with V3 soon, and they intend to implement Optimistic layer 2 that's coming in July. So decrease in gas cost 10 to 100x, transaction confirmation time 169 milliseconds. And this is really cool. So I invite you to read the testimonial of Adam Adams. So this is really cool. So I'm going to skip this 2 things because if you want to learn more, so they have an article about Synthetix and Unipig, have more data on the experience of using Unipig exchange. So let's go jump to the next section. So this is the blog of Ethereum Optimistic. So scaling and sustainable Ethereum. With just one of major point, they haven't updated any news since February 24. We are today, I think, 21 or 22 April, so it's about 2 months, but probably they are very busy to optimize or bring the scaling solution, and they work hard on the code instead to just bring article or But I think it's good to have a balance, to probably hire someone to write an article for the project to gain visibility. This is my point of view, but two major projects like Uniswap and Synthetix going to implement this solution, and this gave me confidence. I'm very bullish about it. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is really interesting to scale the app over the Ethereum network. Let's go jump to the next sections. Now they have 3 open positions. So they look for, if you want to work for a job for Optimistic. I know that sounds crazy to just talk about it, but they have DevOps engineers, senior software engineers, and integrators. If you are an engineer, you have developer, go for it, my friend. You're going to make history with Optimistic. That's coming in the pie. Let's go jump to the next sections. I need to take some coffee before moving on. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. Press the smash like button. The like is really cool. And press the bell notification, bing, bing, bing. So you're going to get notified on your YouTube dashboard every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time from Monday through Sunday. I release 7 videos a week now, every day, my friends. So this is really cool. And the most important thing, you can spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street high school for great, outstanding content of value made by Chez Satoshi. Now I am on GitHub.com's or Ethereum Optimistic. As you can see, OptimismPBC. So as you can see, they just have one people that's working for that. I'm not quite sure. Top language, TypeScript, JavaScript, Solidity, Go, and Shell. So you can track everything with Optimistic on the GitHub. So this is really cool. And 17 ago, 30 things ago. So as you can see, they work hard. They're very active on this. And this is another L2, L1 and 2 deposit withdrawal 2 days ago. Solidity. So you can see they have a lot of development, a lot of things that's going on right now. Just 1 hour ago, money implementation of the Optimistic Ethereum protocol. So let's go jump to the next sections. Welcome to the Optimistic Ethereum. We know documentation is a bit overwhelming sometimes, especially when the subject matter is unfamiliar. Let's make sure you know where to go next. So as you can see, if you're a developer, this is the developer sections. So you want to build or you want to learn how Optimistic is working and you want to interact with the GitHub repository about development. So this is the place to go. They have a lot of main topic. So they have the introductions, developer docs, user docs, protocol docs, additional resources for you to grasp this knowledge, to have the learning curve, to be able to interact with and implement over your Ethereum the app, or probably develop your skill and bring the skill for other the app others, so you can monetize your expertise. So this is really cool. I'm going to close this beautiful ads from Brave. So every time you see a beautiful Brave ads, I get paid every month just to using Brave browser, and this is a big win-win situation for both parties. I see ads and then I use the Brave browser. Anyway, let's go jump to the next sections. As you can see, this is another part of Optimistic tutorials. So contributor, they have 9 people who's contribute. So the official Optimistic tutorial. I'm just going to read that part, and just they don't have much thing to do, but just the introductions. This tutorial is an introduction to the process of developing application on Optimistic Ethereum. We will take you through the process of compiling, testing, and deploying a smart contract. This tutorial aims to highlight the similarity and difference between Ethereum and Optimistic Ethereum. To that end, we have set the tutorial up so that we will perform the same compile, test, deploy process on both systems at the same time. This process is not necessary for you to build an application on Optimistic Ethereum. It's better to give a side-by-side comparison. Lastly, this tutorial does not cover topics such as message passing between Ethereum layer 1 and Optimistic Ethereum layer 2. So if you would like to see an application on message passing, check our L1, L2 deposit withdrawal example repository. With that said, let's dive in. So as you can see, prerequisite software, please make sure you have installed the following component. You need Gib, need GS, Worm, and Docker, setting up the tasks. And so this is specific targeting for developing and bring the skill to be able to develop over optimistic layer 2 solution. And this is really important because if you want to have success on the market, you need to incentivize, or you need to provide information or education for the people, the developers, to be able to grab the knowledge and to use it and bring it to the market and people use it. That's the only way you're going to have success. And Optimistic right now, they have an edge because actually, I'm going to close this one. They have already Uniswap and Synthetix that is going to implement or use Optimistic for the layer 2 solution. And this will be a game changer until Ethereum 2.0 that's coming next year. But Ethereum, this is something, it's almost there. In July 2021, Optimistic will be fully operational on layer 2 and fully activated, so the house will use it. So let's go jump to the last sections. I need to take some coffee before moving on. Don't forget to subscribe, press the smash like button, press the bell notification, and spread a love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school for great awesome content of value made by you. Share the channel to put a new memory and remember and associate with crypto. So I'm just going to read this main part. I think it's really important. So the frequently asked question: what is Optimistic Ethereum? We already know that Optimistic Ethereum, in a nutshell, an application inside of Ethereum that execute transactions more efficiently than Ethereum itself. It's based on the concept of optimistic rollup, a construction that allows us to optimistically publish transactions results without actually executing those transactions on Ethereum. Most of the time, Optimistic Ethereum make transactions cheaper, faster, and smarter. Is Optimistic a sidechain? Nope. What's the difference between Optimistic Ethereum and Ethereum? I let you to read it. Are Optimistic rollups safe? I'm going to read it. I'm just going to see. Optimistic rollups are safe as long as Ethereum itself. It's like not actually censoring transactions. This security model is backed by a system of fraud proof, whereby users I pay to revoke bad transactions results published on the Optimistic Ethereum chain. Why is there a delay when moving assets from Optimistic Ethereum to Ethereum? I'm going to invite you to read it. How I pay for transaction of Optimistic transactions. I let you to read it as well. And does Optimistic Ethereum use ETH natively? So I'm going just to read the first sentence. Optimistic Ethereum doesn't use ETH natively in the same way that Ethereum does. So I just finished the list. So I let you finish the rest of this question. But basically, what you need to remember, it's a layer 2 solutions that optimize transactions, and the transaction cost is cheaper and faster to get confirmation time. And this is the hype about Optimistic that's coming in July. In the meantime, if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to this wonderful channel for the love of crypto and coffee. Smash the like button, press the bell notification. I release a new video every single day from Monday through Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. In your YouTube dashboard, you're going to need the fact that she released a new thing that you're going to salivate and go check right away. And the most important thing, spread love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school for great awesome content of value. And don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter, podcast, and come visit my outstanding website, Satoshi.com. I just released a new video with a new format yesterday, so you go check it. Go check my latest article as well. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow and have a great day and enjoy the suns where you are on the planet Earth. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.